Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the Dyson V7 motor head vacuum. It has like a whole bunch of writings in the box, so make sure to go ahead and read all those. I'll go ahead and pass them. You can go ahead and stop the video at any point in time. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box. This is the warranty information, or how to get it or activate it. Some type of, the operating manual, instruction manual, and a phone number and everything for any problems. Awesome. Okay. Alright, so we'll go ahead and put that to the side. And let's go ahead and see what the items are. This is for, I'm guessing, the wall mounts. This is like if it was the hose, but it doesn't move. This is the cord and the adapter. An extension to vacuum the tight spots. Another extension with some brushes. I'm sorry, I'm clearing my throat. I'm having a little cough. This is, I'm guessing, part of the whole entire thing. So, let's see if there's something else here. Okay, this is the actual motor part. Nothing in here. Move it from here. Sorry, moving my phone with one hand. This is the item. Motor itself, it has some little instructions here. Okay. Anything else in here? No. And what is this? Oh, this is the bottom part where you're going to use for the floor. Pretty dusty itself. Alright. And some type of lock switch, maybe to clean that out and or unlock it and take it out, be able to clean it. Another one there. Alright, so this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and build this, and I'll probably do another video reviewing it, seeing how good it is, etc. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead into actually building the Dyson V7 vacuum. I recently just, as you will see in the beginning of the video, did the unboxing, but I decided to actually, my wife wanted to try it out, so we're going to go ahead and start the building process and also the charging. I do apologize for my video setup. I'm new to the whole YouTube thing. I don't have professional gear or anything like that. I actually set up my camera on top of the kitchen counter and put it facing down so I could be able to do this and you guys can kind of view it. It's going to be a little bit from far, but hopefully it'll help in anything. And hopefully I'm able to build it myself. So let's go ahead and start. This is everything that came in this package, where it even has a phone number to call. It's an instruction manual, so it says the story of Dyson and some envelope, not sure what it's for, but this is the actual instruction manual, and here's the vacuum and all the pieces. So let's go ahead and start. Some warnings and instruction video, things, guides, and in different languages. So I'm guessing it's pretty simple. Let's go ahead and see. Okay. Probably going to be cutting some pieces of this video so I can be able to start the process without you guys seeing me read the book or the instructions. These are operations using instructions. This is looking for blockages. Okay, how to wash it and how to remove the hairs stuck on the brushes. And this is power mode and runtime, recharging. Okay, so I'm guessing none of this is to actually build it. I guess the actual building part is just this, the front page. So let's go ahead and see how it is. Okay, this is the middle part. Go ahead and remove this and remove the nylon. Okay, so Dyson V7 motor head. It's just a tube, and let's go ahead. Okay, so you can see here, we're going to go ahead and connect that first part right there. So from what the picture showed, it's this with this. Okay, that's fairly simple. Okay, let's go ahead and put it aside. Actually, let's put it in the ground. And so the actual motor, or the important part, the actual vacuum. And oh, wow, it actually already works. It says 20% charge fully before use in the trigger. So I'm guessing it has already a 20% charge, as what it says. That's why it was turning on. And I'm going to go ahead and connect this end to this end, as the picture showed. And it is extremely simple and easy to connect. So that's pretty much it. Maybe we'll have to go ahead and disconnect this part again to be able to charge it without the whole entire bottom part. So let's go ahead and try that. And this is the cord. Let's go ahead and see the instructions. So the rest is just changing the pieces between the ones for the corners, etc. And that's pretty much it for the actual building of it. So let's get to the charging part. Okay. One time emptying. Alright. Recharging on the dock. Okay, let's see. Oh, the dock, but no, I'm not gonna go ahead and do the dock part. So, light during charge. Okay. Doesn't show how to actually connect the cord, so we'll try and figure it out on our own. Must be fairly simple. Guessing that is the charging port, and this is the adapter with the wall outlet. It did say how long it should have been there, or should be there. It says light during charging, 3 hours and a half it shows there. I don't know if you guys can see it right there, 3 hours and a half. Charging. Okay, so when it's blue, it says it's charging. When it's blue empty, a blue outline but empty, it's fully charged. Orange not charging, and red meaning call for help, and it practically says that contact helpline. So that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and start charging, and I'll do another video on how to, or the review of it and what we think so far. Thank you. Guys, I went ahead and plugged it in, super easy, and as you can see the light is solid blue, just like in the instructions it says solid blue is charging. So that's pretty much it. Supposedly my wife says that you should always keep it charging, and then when you're going to use it, just unplug it. Maybe another time we'll go ahead and set up the wall mount, otherwise we'll just leave it how it is. But there you go, just plug it in and that's it. Supposedly it says instructions to go ahead and charge fully before use.